What's the meaning of caricaturist? Caricaturist. Caricaturist.
Caricaturist. Caricaturist. A caricaturist is an artist who creates caricatures, which are exaggerated depictions of people or things that are meant to be humorous or satirical. The result of a caricaturist's work is often a drawing or painting that features distorted or exaggerated features of the subject, such as an oversized nose, exaggerated expression, or emphasized physical trait. These visual representations are intended to highlight and poke fun at some characteristic of the subject in a lighthearted manner. Caricaturists may work as political cartoonists, entertainment artists, or commercial illustrators, among other roles.